Ukraine. Independent farmers develop micro-tillage technology for growing and harvesting potatoes. In a bid for self-sufficiency, farmers in unique circumstances have innovated practical solutions for their agricultural needs. These farmers have designed and implemented advanced micro-tillage technology, allowing them to cultivate and harvest potatoes efficiently on a smaller scale. This technology not only enhances productivity but also adapts to the specific challenges of their environment, showcasing resourcefulness and resilience in agriculture.